The number one reason people love their Teslas isn't the car, it's the app. So you bought a Tesla for the car, right? But what if I told you the best part about owning a Tesla is the phone app? It's not just a remote control. You can basically control your entire car right from your phone. And if you're not using these 5 features, you're really missing out on the best part about owning a Tesla. I've even tried to get it to make me a sandwich, but still working on that one. However, I'm sure the Tesla engineers are working on that one too. But what I found is that there's 5 features that generally make my life so much easier with it. They even save me some time as well as save me some money. You might know some of them, but I guarantee you haven't seen them used like this. So let's dive in. All right, coming in at number 1, and I use this pretty frequently, is Live Sentry View. Basically, you can get a 360-degree view of your car at all times. Now, you do need premium connectivity for this, but I highly recommend that's really well worth it. If someone triggers Sentry mode, you'll then see a tab in your app to view the most recent clips. From here, you can view the footage and see if it was just someone passing by or something more sinister. Alternatively, you can go in your phone app and check out the live view from all the cameras. And if someone, say, is trying to break in your car or doing something that it shouldn't be doing, you can either scare them off by either honking your horn, flashing your lights. You can also fart if that's what you think that the situation needs for. But then you can also talk to it directly. So imagine someone's breaking your car and all of a sudden they hear your voice coming out of nowhere.
Step away from the Tesla.
So in terms of security and peace of mind, this is the number 1 feature in your phone app. My second favorite feature is something I use every night. Scheduled departure. I like to plug in my car when I get home so I don't forget later on, but what I don't want to do is charge right away. So what I do is I put in the phone what time I want to leave the next morning, and the car handles everything. It'll figure out what time to charge, what time to start the charge to be able to finish on the time that I'm leaving, and do it based on off-peak charging, so you're going to save some money. And then it's also going to precondition the battery and the cabin. So in terms of battery health, your battery is good to go and it's going to last a while. And the cabin is going to be at the perfect temperature, whether it needs to cool or heat, depending on the season. But when you are ready to go the next morning, everything will be ready and your car will be ready to go. All right, I just want to take a second and let you guys know that this video is sponsored by MagBack. They have one of the coolest phone mounts around. As you can see, this is it. This little part is going to stick onto the back of your screen and live on the corner. On the back, you have an aluminum finish. On the front, you have a rubber pad. And the best part is that it's MagSafe. I've had mine for a few years now, and my phone has never fallen off. And you plug it into your cigarette lighter adapter, and that gives you 15-watt fast charging. So not only do you have a phone mount, but it'll charge as well. No wires, no bulk, and it actually looks like it's meant to be there. So if you want to get yourself one of these, head over to magback.com and use promo code NORTHERNTESLA for 15% off. Anyways, back to the video. Number 3 is a feature that I hope you don't have to use often, but it's really a game changer in terms of performing maintenance on a car. Well, obviously, before Tesla, you'd have to go to a dealership, make an appointment, be on hold for like hours, and, go in there and sit there for hours. But with Tesla, it's completely different. Everything is done through the app. So basically, all you have to do is describe your issue, upload a few photos or videos, and submit your request. Right away, it'll tell you whether you have to go in for a service visit at a service center, or someone can even come to your house and do it for you. I've had mobile service come out to my house a few times. Shout out to Chris. You are awesome. But imagine that, like you just have your car in the parking lot, you can chill at your house, and someone from Tesla will come out and fix your car. But the entire process is so seamless. Every step, whether you are submitting your request, getting your quote, signing off on the quote, and you're in constant communication through the app messenger system, that it is so easy and everything is done through the app. It is seamless. At number 4, we have a feature that's pure convenience, control climate. And number 2 was scheduled departure. Now that is only useful if you know what time you're leaving the following day. So if I have to go anywhere throughout the day, 5 minutes before I leave, I will go on and turn the climate on. So that either turns on the climate, you can also defrost your windshield if it's snowing out. Like imagine this, if it's snowing out and you walk out to the parking lot to see your car, and because you turned on your climate, you have a clean windshield while everyone else is scraping their cars. And you get inside and you're not only your seat heater's on, your steering wheel heat is ready and warmed up, and your cabin is at the perfect temperature. While everyone else is shivering in their cars, or they have to warm up their car for the last half hour wasting gas. And in summer, it'll be cool.
Ooh, you got some pie, huh? Can I have a piece?
Sure.
Ooh, let me have some of that Cool Whip.
What'd you say?
You can't have a pie without Cool Whip.
In the summer, it'll be cool as a cucumber. And finally, at number 5 is location. Now, I use this quite frequently, and it's more than GPS because you got an actual, you know where your car is at all times. And I've used this a few times in a parking lot. You're in a huge parking lot and you can't find your car. It's happened to all of us. But all you have to do is go in your app and you know exactly where you are compared to where the car is. You always got the guy, honk, honk. You don't want to be that guy. And in a chance that it gets stolen. But by the way, your car will never get stolen. If you use Pin to Drive, your car will never get stolen. But if it does or even gets towed away, you can tell the police, hey, it's right there. So there you have it, my top 5 favorite features in the Tesla app. Once you go Tesla, you'll never go back. I guarantee you it'll ruin all other cars for you. It'll basically make every other car look like a Fred Flintstone car. Meet the Flintstones, and again, a huge thanks to MagBack for sponsoring this video. They have more than just phone cases. They have Tesla accessories such as their phone mount as well as rim case to protect your rims. So find them at magback.com and use promo code NORTHERNTESLA for 15% off. All right, let me know in the comments which feature you use the most and if I've missed any. All right, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know miss videos, which I release about every week or so. Tons of awesome Tesla content like this, as well as how-tos, tips and tricks, Tesla 101, and awesome product reviews. So you want to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. 5 favorites. The number one reason. Take a second to subscribe. It really helps. All right, please help. All right. Let me know in the comments which feature you use to go anywhere in the car for the first. Before I go anywhere. All right, we're out.